This is a quick way to get into Fusion 360. So we're going to go to myhub.autodesk360.com here. If you need a second, you can pause this to type that in. And we're going to sign in with our Autodesk account. Again, you have to use your school address so you can get your free account. If you're new to Autodesk, you have to create an account there. Type in your password. I like to click Stay Signed In, so it keeps me signed in. And this brings us up to our Fusion dashboard here. So it's inside our browser. It doesn't matter if we're on a Chromebook or computer, all the same process. Assets, demo project, we're going to hit Create Project. We're going to give the project the name CAD 2020/21 and hit Create Project. And now we are inside of the CAD 2021 project. We go back to Home. Right there it is. I can upload, I can create new, and this, I'm going to highlight this so it says that's my name in there. I'm going to take a screenshot of this and upload this to the assignment.